Hey, what's up, YouTube? Zay with the K. We back at it with another video, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel, you know what I'm saying? If y'all new, we got a bunch of 3rd gen RAM content, truck content, cool shit going on, so you know what I'm saying? Y'all be sure to subscribe, check me out. But hey, in this video, what we doing? We put in some black suede headliner in the truck, which is something I've been wanting to do for a minute, and we finally gonna do it. It actually got here way earlier than it said it was, so that's cool, you know what I'm saying? But let's get right into it, bro. Alright, so here are the tools that you'll need. I got a drill with just a wire brush on the end, and you're gonna need this 3M headliner adhesive. I only found 1 can in my area. They were sold out, but I'm gonna just order another one. You'll need 2 at least. At least that's what I've heard. I'll let y'all know. And then, you know, get your toolbox. I'm pretty sure all we need is like a 10 mil, a screwdriver, and I don't know, that's probably it. Oh, also, like 2 videos ago, I put these SRT8 seats. I painted the dash, you know, I painted these gray. So y'all be sure to check me out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Also, I've never been a fan of this 2-tone crap that Dodge got going on. Gray on the bottom and tan on pretty much all the top half. Spidey senses, y'all, come on now. Don't play. These are not easy to get out, y'all. At least mine wasn't. You gotta like pull this little piece out and then yank it. I thought I broke it or something the way it came out. Alright guys, so little tip, if you have a 3rd gen just like mine and your light right here is this style, pry the right side out first. This one comes out real easy, slips out, and then you pull on this side like that, and it has a metal clip or a plastic clip. Be sure not to break it, you know, and then you just unplug it right here. Alright y'all, I got the middle light out, and it was kind of a pain to get that connection out right there that's hanging, but to do it I'll use these pliers right here. These were the ones. Yeah, I was trying smaller ones, the ones y'all see right there, but they weren't doing it. So yeah, y'all are gonna need some pliers too to help y'all out. God damn, boy, this is hard. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Let's go terrestrial. I think I just broke it. I ain't gonna lie. Holy shit. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Why is it that hard to take out? But alright, on to the next side, y'all. Hopefully this one's a little easier. And yeah, I'm using these pliers again right here. These are so clutch. So get y'all something just like these and y'all should be able to do it. But basically the front piece pops forward and it's supposed to, like that, pops forward like that. And then you're just supposed to pull it from there. It's not, maybe it might not be as hard for you, but. Allah, beautiful. What the? That's not how it's supposed to go. Get it from the top end. Just like that, you know what I'm saying? Money. Money, 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 money. Alright, y'all, I wanted to see if I can get the headliner out without taking the A-pillars off over here. Because I did take the handles off so I can get more clearance, you know? But I'm going to have to take the seatbelt thing off too. I'm pretty sure it's a T50. But all I got is a 45 right now. I can't find my 50. So, gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna just leave this loose, take this piece off. Also gonna take these rear ones off, which you gotta do the same thing. Just pop that off, get that. And let's see if this T45 works, you know what I'm saying? Before I do anything else. Because if not, well, I gotta find my T50. I don't wanna do that. Check the extension out. T45 works. Maybe it is a T45, but I could have swore it was a T50. There it goes. Just leave that somewhere right there. Make sure you don't lose your bolt. And let's take this up. Money. And do the same for the other side, guys. Alright, y'all, so the headliner is ready to come out, you know what I'm saying? I'll show y'all everything we took out. So I took out the back plastic pieces, the A-pillars, and the front ones too. The light, the middle thing, middle console, and then these little clips up here, and sun visors. So that's everything you need to take out. I've seen some people do it without taking these out, or even these right here, but I've done it so many times, it's easy and don't take that long. And it's a lot easier just to move around them. So, oh shit, just like that. You know what I'm saying? Look how easy that is. So we're gonna get all the wires out from on top of it, and then this thing will be ready to take out. Let's get it. And this is what I'm talking about, the wires. You gotta, you know what I'm saying, disconnect all that. So I'm gonna do that real quick. All right, y'all, and the easiest way to take out the headliner is gonna be through the front passenger door. So that's what we're doing, you know what I'm saying. Due to these SRT8 seats being a little taller than the stock seats, you know, I'm having a hard time getting it over and clearing. So I don't want to take the seats out, but if I have to, I mean, I'm gonna have to. So solution found, you know what I'm saying. Let's go. So now this thing should just come right out. Should. Just like that, y'all. Come on now. But yeah, y'all are gonna want to turn it sideways like this and then just work it out, you know. But now that I got it out, y'all can take a good look at it. It's pretty dirty, you know, it's old. Got some stains in it. This is what we left with right now. Got our wire hanging. But yeah, wasn't too bad getting that out. All right, guys, now we can get started with the headliner. And all you gotta do is peel it off. You know, should come off fairly easy. All right, y'all, we got that off. So next thing we're gonna do, hit it with the wire wheel and get all this excess stuff off. All right, what's up, y'all? Day 2, and we're gonna be finishing up the headliner today. As y'all can see, I did half last night. I'm gonna finish it up right now. And you're gonna wanna wear a mask because the dust gets everywhere. And also, instead of that red drill I had yesterday, I'm using this one now. It's like a plug-in one, so if you won't be running through batteries. And that one was just taking a bunch of time, so this one works a lot better, and I'll show y'all kind of how it goes. But yeah, let's get right into it.
Do is power wow like a flow so cold. I'm 19 years old with a mouth full of gold. I'm more cold than the winter, still I'm hot like the summer. I'ma call up Michael Watson, swing the Swishahouse Hummer. I'm more hot than the summer. still I'm cool like the fall. I can creep and I can crawl. It's that boy Paul Wall, and I'ma tell all y'all. D Davis on my side, took them 20s off my ride. Now I glide like Clyde. I might ride with blind side on my boy Big Tight. Paul Wall could catch boppers if I rode on a bike, but I'ma ride in big body with my cousin Scotty. When I pass his turn, people say good golly. It's that boy Paul Wally. Keep it high like Tabasco, hold it down like plaster. I got more ice than Alaska. Acres home is my hood, the Soto is my street. All them speed bumps messing up my 20-inch feet, and it just don't stop. Antoine's the block. I got 20-inch anchors so my car don't hop, but my trunk show pop. I got more waves than the ocean. When my speakers start smoking and my trunk starts choking, my blown fuse got broken. I done blown out my amp. I got TV screens on, watching Lady in the Tramp. I'ma shine like a lamp, sparkle and twinkle. I represent the North Pole like Kris Kringle. It's the Paul Wall. I got a Swishahouse single. Trunk got the jingle.
Alright, y'all, so we got the headliner already and prepped up. I did use a drill with the wire wheel, and then to finish it off I used some 80 grit sandpaper, and it did the job, you know, just to smooth it out and stuff as much as possible. And now, I'm sorry, I woke up with allergies today. This shit sucks. But I'm finna lay the fabric out and get it ready to put on. Also, y'all, last night I tried using a grinder instead of that red drill that I had, and it was working great until I almost cut right through it. So don't use a grinder too strong. Use a drill, and preferably one that don't run on batteries. We're finna get started with putting this adhesive on. And yeah, I seen in other YouTube videos that they said to let it sit for like 10 minutes before, so that way it can get like kind of pasty, you know, and it'll stick better before you start working it. So directions, 30 seconds to 15 minutes. So yeah, about 10 minutes to let it sit and get tacky, and then you can start applying pressure. So yeah, not too bad. 3M headliner adhesive, highly recommended you use this. So that's what I'm doing.
At the U of H, the Soto is my block, Acres home is my place. Putting diamonds in your face like my partner Lil Flip. I could make my trunk jump, wave, hop and skip. I got diamonds on my lip, mean on my tooth. Ride with you on my partner named Boo. 3-wheel to Peru, how we do, ride blue. Paul Wall, the gorilla out the Swishahouse Zoo. I thought you boys knew. Man, watch, I'm through.
Swishahouse.biz.
I'm about to backdoor that boy Paul Wall, Chameleon. Look, Swishahouse. Look, is you a hot girl? If not, girl, I don't want you, don't need you. Have a Caesar, living single like Queen Latifah and Khadijah. If she a teaser, I can't be tricking my money to please you. Can't be touching my diamonds or ride on my 20s either. If she a diva, I just might let her.
Alright, y'all, I waited a little bit. Now we're gonna get started applying pressure up on it, getting it laid out, you know what I'm saying? Try to get all the creases out to the edges, and, you know, just take your time with it. So, it's my first time doing it, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully it comes out good.
TSL business, 300 for the show. That's the whole team. Diamonds gon' gleam. Jump out trampoline when I hit the scene. I'm a player. Rolls Royce in the Himalaya. I'ma send a bitch right here and right there. Can't fuck with me. High in my hand. Ride down Martin Luther King rubber band. That is the stacks. Might be moving packs. Might have a beautiful girl. Just hit the track. Might get a fade. Don't chop blades. I used to, but now we riding 84s and Rolls Royce. That's the Rosen, you know that I'm chosen. Happy birthday, propane, he's the chosen. I'ma come down, I'ma come through TSL business, and I'm charging up like go.
Woo! Looking at, boy, that was 20 minutes. That was 20 minutes. Alright, y'all, we finna get started spraying the second side. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully it goes on smooth, no creases.
Detail.
Alright, y'all, so I'm using SEM paint to paint the sun visors and the plastics that go on the ceiling or whatever. This isn't fabric paint, it's for plastics, but it'll do the job, and I have it right here, so you know what I'm saying. Once we do this, we can throw the headliner back in. If it'll focus, what the
yeah, I get way too high, little bitch. I think I done touched the stars. Yeah, I come way too far, bitch. Yeah, I went way too far. Yeah, she wanna know if she can see me again, but I'm on tour. Yeah, if I see the ops, I shoot that bitch out just like I was Jason Bourne. Yeah, and we on the top, the devil low 7 shit. Yeah, we just so top floor. Yeah, I stay on the top, I keep on winning, little bitch. Just check the score. Yeah, to live your life, you can get what you want. Yeah, all this shit is yours. Yeah, and all this money just come my way, bitch. I keep getting more. Shit, I'm up in every store. Yeah, bitch, I'm out in Europe. Yeah, I got a free little whore. Yeah, she tryna show me more. Damn, I'm in a whole new bag. Yeah, I got a whole new bitch.
Alright, y'all, that's how she came out. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Yo, interior is complete now, you know what I'm saying? It feels crazy because I've been picturing this for like so long. And now it's here, so it's crazy, you know what I'm saying? But it didn't come out perfect. There's like some baby creases, like especially in the corners. That's gonna be the hardest part for sure. But you know, you can't tell unless you're really looking, like, and there's barely any. So it came out pretty good for my first time. And if I can do it, y'all can do it, you know what I'm saying? So it's not that hard. But yeah, it looks so sick. And then I also did get some new LED bulbs from superbrightleds.com, and they are super bright. But I think this one's the wrong bulb low-key because I ordered the same as these. I ordered 3, and that one moves around when I'm driving, so I'm gonna fix that. But these right here are perfect. I'll link the part in the in the description below. And I also couldn't finish painting it because last night I ran out of paint. You know what I'm saying? Can't have everything, but it's alright. You know, I ordered some more, and yeah. But hey, that's a vlog. So till the next video, you know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe, and yeah, we out of here, you know what I'm saying? Let's go.